Okay guys, this is Sunday dinner. It is a winter day here in North Carolina. I just walked in my kitchen. I have no idea what I'm cooking today because I had such a busy Saturday. Guys, I can't even describe to you. So I have whatever's in, I didn't go grocery shopping. Normally I try to hit the grocery store. I did not. So we're going to see what's in my refrigerator that I need to cook because I'm 61 and I forget what is in my refrigerator if I have not looked. So let's look and see what we're cooking today. Well, I got some hamburger. I took it out. I must have took it out, put it in the freezer, it froze, then I took it back out again. And so I don't know if I was gonna make soup or what. So I don't know, so we might make soup. Let's see what else. We got a chicken. And I probably really need to cook this chicken. Let me see what else I got. Ooh. I got some fresh lemons. Thinking what I'm thinking? It's either gonna be soup or lemon chicken. Oh, that would be good, wouldn't it? I got some garlic bread. I got some biscuits. Ooh. Well, guys, I got a cabbage that I'm sure I need to cook. Cabbage stays in the refrigerator a really long time, and I've got plenty of onion and green onion. So we're gonna plan this together. All right, guys, so what are we gonna make today? I don't really know yet. I have to think. I could make the lemon chicken, and that would be really, really good. With fresh cabbage. Oh, that sounds really good. Or I can make vegetable beef soup. That sounds really good too. We're doing chicken. Okay guys, I went ahead and cut up my chicken because it cooks faster and it's Sunday and it's football season. So we want to eat and watch football. Hey guys, that's the reality of life. That's the reality of my life. Football, Sundays, eating. I have the back and the neck and the livers, and guess what I'm going to use this for? Stock. We're going to make like a broth. Okay guys, we are going to spray our casserole dish, and I'm going to get out my tongs, and I kept my legs in quarters because my husband likes it like that. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna make up the quick marinade to go with this. Okay, we need some lemon juice, and I'm gonna use fresh lemon. And you don't have to, but I've got these lemons and I need to use them. So we need about 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. And I'm gonna add a couple lemons in my casserole dish. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of squeeze it. If you get any seeds, you can take a little spoon and get them out. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I think I left my little seed strainer, the little strainer I have at my other house, in the dishwasher. We have moved everything out, but I'm thinking some of the stuff I can't find. So I'm thinking that I've left some of them in the dishwasher. Okay, we need 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and this is a 2 tablespoon measuring. So that was 6. Okay, I'm just going to put this lemon right in our dish here. Now we need about 6 cloves of garlic minced, and I just have the little it's fresh and peeled garlic. I think it tastes great. And I even got mince too, but I had this and I figured I better use it up. We're just going to kind of chop it, kind of like, not mince, but kind of like rough chop it a little bit. Okay, we're going to put it right in. Now we need 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're going to need about, I'm going to make rosemary lemon chicken because rosemary is one of my favorite. So we need about 2 teaspoons and then 1/4 of ground rosemary. Wow. Okay, I'm going to just start spooning this on. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of black pepper. This is our chicken. Is that not gorgeous? That is Sunday dinner. Okay, we're just going to cover it in foil. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. 1 hour. We're going to cook half of this cabbage, because the other I'm going to make a coleslaw with later in the week. That is so easy. We're going to add a little bit of salt. We're going to add a little bit of pepper. Okay, guys, I do not have any bacon or ham hock or anything, but Southern cooks save their bacon grease. So I'm putting about a tablespoon of bacon grease. You can put olive oil if you want. That's fine, but I'm doing a tablespoon of bacon grease. Okay, now I'm going to put in about a cup of chicken broth. Cup of chicken broth. Now I'm going to pour in 2 cups of cold water. That's it. How simple, how easy. I'm going to put a lid on it and bring it up to a boil, and I'm going to turn it down to low, and it'll be ready at the same time. Okay, you know that I have that neck and back and all that from the chicken. We're going to pop it right in this pan. I'm going to save all this. We're going to make some stock. Just going to pour in probably about 4 to 6 cups of water. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of pepper. We're going to add about a teaspoon of salt. That's it. We're going to put it on the stove and just let it simmer away for about 3 or 4 hours. Okay, we're going to bring it up to high, and then I'm going to simmer it. I'm going to turn it down and let it simmer all day long. What are we going to put on in our oven to go with our roasted chicken? Okay, guys, I have found some potatoes here. I'm going to wash them, and I'm going to make up some roasted potatoes. I went ahead and washed and cut my potatoes. Okay. Just going to put them right on the sheet pan. And what I like to do with leftover potatoes, I like to make hash browns with eggs in the morning, you know, for breakfast. So Monday morning we've got hash browns. Or Monday night we've got supper, we can have hash browns and eggs. Don't waste anything. I think roasted potatoes is one of my favorite side dishes. Now we're going to just sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, your favorite seasoning. I'm going to share with you one of my favorite seasonings that I buy at Walmart. And it is a little spicy, but I can tell you it is so delicious. Let me go get it. It's called Potato Slayer. It's the veggie blend. And we're just going to put it right over our potatoes. And then we're going to put about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Now we're just going to pop in a tablespoon of butter. And it'll melt and get all over those potatoes. And we're just going to go in and we're just going to mix it up with our hands because your potatoes all need to be, and you can just break up that butter a little bit and spread it all over. And then we're going to pop it in the oven. And guys, we've got Sunday dinner. And we've used fresh everything, a fresh chicken, fresh potatoes, a fresh cabbage, lots of flavor, little expense. Well, a chicken costs money, and we're making chicken broth with that chicken. We're going to get our money's worth from that chicken. Okay, our chicken is in the oven. Our cabbage is on the stove. We got some broth going on. I think we're going to have a great Sunday dinner. I made these outrageous chocolate chip cookies. I'm telling you guys, they are amazing. I made these yesterday in the morning. Oh, I took some to my new neighbors. These are the best cookies you'll ever make. I can just tell you. And I make a lot of cookies, but these, when I say they're outrageous because they are amazing. They'll blow your mind. But they're going to be in Tuesday's video, so you can get the recipe and watch me make them on Tuesday. You're going to love them, but this is what we're having for dessert today. We're just going to have, because it's just got garlic and butter. It doesn't have any cheese on it. So we are just going to have this because our food has butter and it has garlic. Look at our potatoes. Wow. They're bubbling. Okay, it's been about a half hour. And we're going to take the covering off of our chicken and we're going to check on it. Oh, our chicken is looking so good. We're going to put it back in the oven and we're going to leave it uncovered. Now we're going to go ahead and get our garlic bread in and take our other items out and let them, cook. And this is only going to take about 5 minutes. And we're going to take the other ones out and let them set, and it'll all be ready at the same time. Look at those potatoes. Oh my gosh. Quick and easy. Look at that chicken. Wow. And it smells like heaven. We're going to let it all cool down and let the juices run back into everything. That's going to be good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the cabbage and kind of drain it a little bit and just go ahead and put it into a dish. Cabbage, roasted potatoes, and lemon rosemary chicken. How awesome. And I'm going to keep these juices to add into a soup this week with my chicken broth. I've already got it thought of. Oh, I'm going to make a soup. Okay, I'm just going to put the lid on that. Okay, guys, this is Sunday dinner. All right, let's eat it. Those potatoes are so good. And if you want to put a little bit of that lemon sauce or the lemon juices from the chicken on top of it, it would even be better. But oh my gosh, these are so good. Fresh cabbage is always a hit in this house. Tastes so good, guys. Okay, guys, I cut up my chicken because I eat white meat. And I put a little bit of those lemon juice all over the top. Lemon rosemary chicken is amazing. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching, for commenting, for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen. You are the best audience on YouTube. I just can't believe that people actually watch me in my kitchen. I can't believe the kind words that you say. I cannot believe the encouraging words that you say. You are the kindest, most lovingest people. You are YouTube. You guys go. I pray that you all have the best Sunday ever. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.